You hurt yourself at work, but you keep your job. You can't do what you did before, so your boss gives you a modified job and you continue to work. But things have changed. You're treated differently. You don't feel trusted and you feel disrespected. What happened? Why the change? I see this in my workers' compensation law practice all the time. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Larry DeMarco. I'm a workers' compensation, personal injury, and family law lawyer in Pennsylvania. After work injuries, bosses seem to go from good guy Dr. Jekyll into bad guy Mr. Hyde. The change usually comes in the nature of a bad job offer that you legally have to accept. So it's either a job that you completely don't want to do for whatever reason, or it seems like a fake offer and a setup. You even think the offer is not sincere, just there to bust your chops or punish you because you got hurt. It's like a no-duty job. You know there's nothing to do, but they just want to drag you out of your sick bed and to sit at a desk and do nothing. You might feel offended by any of this strange behavior, because you gave your heart and soul to this employer, and all of a sudden it's turning its back on you, playing a game. What I want hurt people to know is that you're not dealing with the employer itself. You're dealing with a third party, a completely different company, the Workers' Compensation Insurance Company. After a work injury, the insurance company calls all the shots of everything that happens afterwards. In a workers' compensation petition, it might say your name, claimant, versus defendant employer, your old boss, but the true controversy involves the insurance company, you versus the insurance company. The insurance company makes the strategy, tells the employer what to do, pays the judgment whenever it's awarded, and controls all the money in the event of settlement. You see, in an insurance policy, there's a requirement that your boss has to cooperate with it. The insurance company makes a decision to offer a modified job and not to rehire you after the claim is over and you settle the case. So when it seems like your employer was completely different, it was. The other thing to remember is that your employer is a business, and workers' compensation claims are extremely expensive, even if your employer doesn't pay the claim itself. After a work accident, there can be a huge medical expense, a wage loss expense, and a disruption in operations. Employer who might be a good, caring citizen and nice people or nice person can react poorly to an unplanned expense and a break in production. And it's not necessarily personal. I hope this discussion gives a general understanding and takes the personal emotion and pain out of what's an overall business situation. Please check out some other informational legal videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. If you or someone you love has been injured or suffered a loss, contact the Law Center. For more information, click the link in the description portion of this video.